two standards, standard of Christ and standard of Satan. It is a warfare older than the world, for it began with the work of an angels. It is a warfare wide as the world. It rages in every nation, every city, in the hearts of every man. Satan desires all men to come under his standards, and to this end lures them with riches, honors, powers, all that minister to the lust and pride of man. Christ, on the contrary, invites all to fight under his standards, but he offers no worthy allurement. Only himself, only Jesus, only the Son of Man, born an outcast, raised in poverty, rejected as a teacher, betrayed by his friend, crucified as criminal, and therefore his follower must be ready to suffer what he suffered: poverty, persecution, betrayal, at times even death. But Jesus, the Son of God, is also Jesus, the Son of God, and therefore his followers shall not be confounded forever. They are certain ultimate victory against them. The gates of hell cannot prevail. The power of darkness shall splinter before the splendid battalions. Battle scarred, battle splendid. They shall enter into glory with Christ, their King. Two armies, two standards, two generals, and to every man there comes the imperious cry of command. Choose Christ or Satan. Choose sanctity or sin. Choose heaven or hell. And in the choice you make, you sum up the life of every man.
Yeah.